What if I told you that the same phone you're holding right now could quietly generate an extra $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month without you quitting your job or taking massive risks? This isn't some hype-driven fantasy or a get-rich-quick pitch. It's the real, rapidly growing shift happening across the United States right now. The gig economy isn't just a trend anymore. It's becoming a parallel financial system where everyday people are building serious income streams on their own terms, often outside the traditional 9-to-5 model that used to define financial security. Not long ago, side hustles were seen as temporary fixes, something you did to cover a bill or save for a vacation. But today, they've evolved into scalable income engines. Platforms like freelancing marketplaces, delivery apps, digital product stores, and content platforms have lowered the barrier to entry so much that anyone with a skill, or even just the willingness to learn one, can start earning. What's really driving this explosion is flexibility combined with technology. You no longer need a physical office, a huge investment, or even a team to get started. You just need a clear value proposition and consistency.
Now, here's where it gets interesting from a finance perspective. Traditional income is linear. You trade time for money, and your earning potential is capped by hours and salary limits. But many gig economy streams are nonlinear. For example, if you create a digital product once, you can sell it hundreds or thousands of times. If you build a strong freelance reputation, your rates can increase without increasing your workload proportionally. This is where people start breaking into that 1K to 10K monthly range. It's not about working more hours, it's about building smarter systems. Another key factor is diversification. In personal finance, relying on a single income stream is considered risky, much like putting all your investments into one stock instead of spreading them across an index fund. The gig economy allows individuals to diversify their income, just like a portfolio. Someone might have a primary job contributing to their 401k, while also earning from freelance work, affiliate marketing, and digital products on the side. This layered approach creates financial stability and can accelerate wealth building far faster than a single paycheck ever could.
Of course, there are financial responsibilities that come with this shift. Unlike traditional employment, where taxes are automatically withheld, gig workers are responsible for managing their own taxes, often making quarterly estimated payments to the IRS. Understanding deductions, tracking expenses, and maintaining proper records becomes crucial. But for those who handle it correctly, this structure can actually be advantageous. Many gig workers can deduct business-related expenses, reducing their taxable income and keeping more of what they earn. There's also a psychological shift happening. People are starting to realize that income isn't just about job titles anymore. It's about skills and leverage. A person with strong communication skills can monetize through consulting, content creation, or coaching. Someone with design skills can build a global client base from their bedroom. Even beginners are finding ways to start small, improve over time, and scale up. And once that first $1,000 month hits, something changes. It's no longer theoretical. It becomes proof that more is possible.
But let's be real for a moment. This isn't effortless. The gig economy rewards consistency, adaptability, and patience. The people earning 5K or 10K per month didn't get there overnight. They tested ideas, failed, adjusted, and kept going. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't often comes down to execution. It's easy to watch videos and get excited, but it's much harder to take action every single day without immediate results. Still, the opportunity has never been bigger. We're living in a time where financial independence is no longer reserved for entrepreneurs with huge capital or corporate executives climbing the ladder for decades. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn, experiment, and commit to building something of their own. The gig economy is reshaping how income works, and those who understand it early have a massive advantage. So the real question isn't whether the side hustle explosion is real. It clearly is.
The question is whether you're going to stay on the sidelines or step into it and start building your own income streams. Because in a world where one stream of income is no longer enough, creating multiple streams isn't just a smart move, it's becoming a necessity.